In this video, I'm going to talk about the AutoBoo windshield wiper blades. I'll post the product link in the description and in the comment section. I'll first go over what is in the box, and then I'll show you how to install it to your Nissan Rogue. Note that these wiper blades can fit into many different types of wiper arms from different vehicles. However, I cannot give you comments on how well it will fit on other cars since I've never done it myself. There are 3 items in the box, 1 menu and 2 wiper blades. The one I ordered comes with the 26 inches and 17 inches wiper blades. They also offer other sizes, which I'll show you the size chart later. Remember to remove the green plastic wiper blade protector before you install it. Now let's take a closer look at the materials. The plastic is thick and sturdy. At the same time, it is very flexible. See how flexible it is? Here is the mechanisms that holds the wiper arm. I like how simple it is, and there's a cover to lock it in place. I've used many wiper blades from different brands over the years. One of them looks like a 3D puzzle. Another one flew right off when I was using it on the highway. Now, the menu shows all the wiper arms that work with these blades. Besides the menu, outside of the box also shows the wiper arms pictures for your reference. Here are all the sizes that they offer. If you are still unsure whether or not it will fit your vehicle, you can use the Your Garage function from Amazon. Go to the Your Garage Amazon link, input your vehicle's information. After that, Amazon will check and show you a banner that states whether or not the wiper blades will fit your vehicle. Before the installation, push the wiper switch up 2 times quickly like this. To bring it back down, push up 1 time. Now let's go over the installation and uninstallation process. First, you open the cover, and then you'll see a slot over here, and this is where you're going to insert the hood into the slot. You're going to push it this way and up. Once you got it in, close the cover to lock it. You're done. Now, let's see how to uninstall it. Open the cover and pull it downward like this. The wiper blade works very well on my Nissan Rogue. I like it so much that I've purchased a second set just in case they stop selling it. I've been using the first pair of wipers since August 2021, and it is still functional until today. I hope you found my video useful. I will put the product link in the description and in the comment section. It's an affiliate link, meaning that I'll get a small commission at no additional cost to you when you purchase through my link. I wish you have a good day. Bye.